I believe Johnny's filmed here before. I think these are Otis modernized. Let's see.
Thank you.
Here they are. Ooh, I like the cabs. They're definitely not the original ones, but they're neat. All right, up to 7. Back down to, we'll go to LL. These things are, I actually really like these. Despite the, I mean, obviously it would have been nice to see these original, but the mod's pretty clean. Like these are nice. I think this is a good mod. All right, and then we'll go back up to 1. I love the Adams fixtures. I'm always a fan of Adams.